Well, we've been up in Quebec for, oh boy, I think this is day number 5. Haven't seen a waterfall bigger than a puddle. It has been a chore, but guess what? That's about to change right now. We finally found a good one as we've left Gaspé, and we are only about 3 hours from Quebec City now. So we're gonna get our first good waterfall of the trip in. This one's set to be a good one. You're gonna see it with us for the first time.
This is the one that has the bridge that goes across. I'm not gonna do that, dude. I know it's all downhill, but thank God they got that mesh on there.
Well, after 3 days waterfall hunting, 4 days actually on the Gaspé Peninsula, get closer to Quebec City and it just gets better and better and better. Finally, we see a good one. I'm almost about to sing, "Oh Canada." I guess you know I've been to too many hockey games this year, but take a look at this beauty. What an awesome waterfall.